Well, howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. This is amateur artist Mark D. Chandler once again from Man Land. I'm out here at the Junkyard Bushcraft site. Decided I'd do a little cooking. I'm actually shooting two videos today, I think. One's going to be about the wood that I'm using. There, the hobo stove. And the second video is going to be about cooking on the hobo stove with some cast iron cooking. Beef stew, as a matter of fact. At least that's the theme I'm going to be using. Is it real beef stew? I don't know. But we're going to find out. So, this here video, the first part is actually going to be about black walnut. At least I think that's what it is. Bones said so. Come on, let's go check it out. Here at the makeshift wood pile. Yeah, this is part of that limb I cut down. I think you've seen it in Bones' video. Here's kind of a cut cross section of one piece. And of course it's a little bit wet and damp right now. But all them patterns and such up in there, it appears to have that walnut look to it, don't it? And yeah, it gives you kind of an idea, maybe. I'm not a tree expert. And there's the actual bark up close. Some of the bark here, the rotten piece, actually has a lot of these clover mold growth on it, different colors and such. And the stuff back there in the back, that's not anything we're talking about here. And oh, look at here. Here's an actual piece of oak. That's good stuff. Yeah, I think that's about my last piece too. There's a big chunk of that limb that I cut in Bones' video, and it's tangled up there in all them vines and such. But it has a very interesting look. You zoom back out here. See if I can get between them things so you see what's going on. Yeah, this thing had a lot of rot to it. That's why the tree had to come down. And here's a good cross section here of where it was solid there at one time. And it definitely has that walnut smell. So I'm guessing black walnut. Take a look at the tree as I back up here. You can see the bark now finally. And it goes way up yonder. The whole tree is dead. Gotta come down eventually. Now here's some of the outer bark. Well, a little piece of the inner bark on the outside is the outer bark. I'll show you that on the other side. And it's kind of interesting. Yeah, this branch is attached to this inner piece of the wood. Runs through a hole here. Comes out this side, right there. And so this is the outer bark that has totally separated and come apart. Mr. Reese, ain't nobody wanting to see you in the video, man. You old possum dog, you. That's right, Mr. Reese. He said he wanted to show off a little piece of wood there as well. And a little better view of what's left there. A lot of these limbs has lost the outside bark already. Got that gray appearance to it. It's hard to show on the camera with the blue-gray skies in the background. Causes it to be dark on my camera here. A little better overall picture there. Looking into the neighbor's front yard. It's right there on the fence line. Matter of fact, that fence is growing into the tree. There's the fencers. And in case I don't want to hit these stickers, there's the fence, and it's definitely in the tree all the way up and down, all the way down through there. Kind of gnarly how that did. So I don't really know who owns the tree. It's on the property line, so I guess it's a split. But since this puppy is leaning back on my side, or I should say wee side, it's already hit the shed several times. Big limbs falling out. Done some numbers to it. And this is why I'm debating on cutting it down, because it's going to fall right in that direction when I cut it. Yeah. Means I got to move some stuff again. I'm kind of lazy. Oh, there's a piece of fat wood that Bone had brought over. And Weeby's going to do a video, hopefully, about fat wood here in the yard. But here's one of those smaller limbs of the blacky black walnut wood, I should say. And I got here early this morning, was playing around and almost let my fire burn out. And yeah, playing around some fun type of cooking here. Gonna be cooking, well, let's just say it's gonna be called beef stew in a cast iron. And that's going to be for Cast Iron Wednesday. The challenge. Beef stew. Well, I reckon that concludes this little short video about the wood that I'm burning and what I think is black walnut. So if you happen to know for sure, I'm not a tree expert. You know, drop a comment in the comment section below. You may think it's actually white walnut, or it could be pecan, or it could be cedar. No, I'm pretty sure it's a walnut type of tree. Who knows? But anyway, I got to get on with the cooking video with this here beef stew. So that's it for this walnut version of this here particular video. Until next time, amateur artist Mark D. Chandler, once again from Man Land. Smoke. Oh, make sure you watch the next video, the actual cooking part. Beef stew in a cast iron. Yeah. At least I think it's beef stew.